Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you model beauty secrets. So you may not know this, but I have been a model for more than 10 years, so I definitely have a few tips and tricks up my sleeve. And I've also been around enough other models to know that there are just a few tips or tricks or secrets or whatever you want to call it that models tend to have in common. So I'm going to be sharing all of those things with you here today. So let's get started. Welcome to my bathroom. We've been here before if you have followed my channel for a while. So my next tip is going to be that you need to get your skincare routine down pat. So for me personally, I like to keep my skincare routine pretty simple. So here's my routine or the things that I think make the biggest difference for my skin. Almost every single night I incorporate some sort of retinol. I actually use this prescription tretinoin cream. I got this from my dermatologist. It's very strong, but I do think that it makes my skin look significantly better. So at night, I really like to use some sort of serum that is very rejuvenating or helps to repair my skin. So I really love this Life Plankton Elixir serum. And then for the day, I really like to use some sort of vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is an incredible thing for your skin. So I really like the SkinCeuticals vitamin C. So the other part of my skincare routine that I absolutely do not ever skip is moisturizer. This is such an important part of your skincare routine. Here are two that I like. I like the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, and I also like the Drunk Elephant Peptide Cream. My next tip is that you need to remove all of your makeup. After work, after I finish a photo shoot, and after any model finishes a photo shoot, I feel like the very first thing you'll see them do is run over to the hair and makeup station and ask the makeup artist for some sort of makeup removal. In general, most days when I come home from work or my day, if I'm not on set, I just use a one-step cleanser. This Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser does a pretty good job doing that. Okay, so my next tip or my next secret is going to be incorporating masks. So I feel like this is something that a lot of models post on their Instagrams and their stories and things that they're doing. So we have under eye masks. So these go underneath here and they really help with just like in general dehydration and dark circles. I also in general like to carry some sort of sheet mask with me. These are super helpful, and oftentimes when I'll show up to work, a makeup artist will actually offer one of these things to us before they start makeup because they know it actually can help. Another little secret trick or thing that I have is one of these frozen face masks. So this actually stays in the freezer and it is very cold when you put it on your face. But if you wake up and your face is puffy or maybe your skin is just looking a little bit dull, I think this can kind of help to tighten your face and your pores and in general help with sort of if your face is puffy. So my next secret is to use tea tree oil if you wake up with a pimple on your face. It can be a little bit drying, which sometimes can be helpful obviously to dry up a pimple. So for hair, the best tip and the best piece of advice that I ever got on a shoot or at work was to wash my hair less. So I was one of those people, I work out a lot. I thought I needed to wash my hair every single day, but actually washing my hair less helped in general with the texture of my hair. It feels a lot less dry and I felt like my natural wave and texture that I kind of had when I was younger started to come back. Another tip or thing that I do is I only apply conditioner to the ends of my hair. The reason why I do this is because actually if you apply conditioner to the roots of your hair or kind of the top of your hair here, it can make your hair a little bit more flat. So I tend to concentrate conditioner on the ends of my hair. One other thing that is kind of a weird tip, trick, secret that I have that I do, I will actually use cacao powder as dry shampoo. So I'll just take it out and put it into my hand. Cacao powder, it's kind of like that brown powder that people put in smoothies and stuff, but not me. I'm over here putting it in my hair. It actually does a really good job kind of absorbing a lot of the oil in your hair. You don't need a lot, and obviously it is natural, so that is one thing that I like to do. So my next model beauty secret would be to take a less is more approach to makeup. I know that makeup is fun and it's so fun to play with, but it's important to allow your skin to breathe. So I would suggest to either go to a less is more approach to makeup or just make sure that you have a few days a week that your skin is allowed to breathe. Welcome to my kitchen. We are here for a reason. We are going to be talking about nutrition. So whether you like it or not, what you are eating and what you are putting into your body has an impact on how you look and obviously how you feel. I am not a nutritionist or skin specialist or anything like that. This is just the kind of stuff that I like to do for myself. But obviously all this stuff you guys can look up online for yourself. So number one, I know it's not fun or exciting, but you need to drink more water. Probably drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, maybe sometimes even more. So I eat a lot of foods that are high in antioxidants like berries, so things like raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. So I also like to eat foods that are high in vitamin A, so that's things like carrots, sweet potatoes, dark leafy greens, oranges. So vitamin A in general really kind of helps to give your skin that glowy look and glowy complexion. I like to eat foods that are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C can help with collagen production and in general helps promote radiant skin. So foods that are high in vitamin C are dark leafy greens, citrus fruits, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and things like that. And I also like to eat foods that are high in vitamin E, nuts, seeds, olives, spinach, dark leafy greens. I also like to eat food that have a lot of healthy fat in them, so it's things like avocado, olive oil, salmon, walnuts. In terms of foods that I avoid that are not great for skin, I would say caffeine is not great for skin. I feel like when I do a lot of caffeine, my skin looks a little more dry and a little more dull. Same thing goes for alcohol. And I also try to avoid a lot of sugar. Sugar in general is not good for you, but it definitely makes my skin look more dull. I'm just aiming for foods that are high in antioxidants and vitamins that make my skin look dewy and glowy and healthy. So that is the goal, and those are the few things that I like to avoid. My next tip is around sleep. We all know that sleep is super important, but my suggestion to you guys would be to find your magic number for sleep. So I have found that when I undersleep, but also when I oversleep, my skin actually tends to look more tired and my under eyes are actually more prominent and sort of darker and just like drier and just look tired. So for myself, I have found that 7.5 hours is my sweet spot. And I have also found that when I go to sleep and wake up relatively around the same time, I wake up looking and feeling more rested. So that is something that you guys could try at home. My next tip or trick is to make sure to get a workout in. Models are hardcore and very dedicated to their workout routines. So I know all of us are busy, and for models, we travel all the time and we have a lot going on. So how do you stick to your workout routine? So I know for myself, I try to stay at a hotel with a gym. And if that's not possible, I travel with a few things. So I really like to travel with a jump rope. This is super light and easy to travel with, and you can literally do it anywhere. I also like to travel with booty bands. These will give you a great workout no matter where you are, so super helpful to travel with. Working out is obviously really good for your body, but it makes me feel more confident, and I think it gives me a really nice flush and glow for the rest of the day. Okay, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite tip or trick was. I love hearing from you guys, and please let me know what kind of video you guys would like to see from me next. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.